To unlock lighting intelligence, you need the right tools working together. Philips GrowWise Control gives you access to precise lighting control in horticulture. Let's take a look at how GrowWise Control fits into the bigger picture and how it helps growers like you bring intelligent lighting to life. With GrowWise Control, you can control exactly how much light your crops receive. That means your crops will get the exact color and light level they need. Anytime, any day. Creating or editing a lighting recipe is fast and simple. With our intuitive recipe editor, you can fully control the 4 different colors and easily see the spectrum and light level as a result. The GrowWise Control app gives you remote access to all your facilities. From your home or your office desk, you'll always have access, giving you the peace of mind to have all your facilities in one overview, so you can focus on running your business. Access is secure and scalable. Only authorized users can make changes, and site managers can assign access as needed. GrowWise Control also works hand in hand with your climate computer, ensuring your lighting is always in sync with your system. It's already trusted by over 750 growers worldwide, delivering consistent performance every day. Benelux growers can earn from energy trading and support grid stability by participating in the Automatic Frequency Restoration Reserve, simply by letting their lights respond to the real-time energy market situation. So, you can choose to maximize your crop growth or to make money on the energy market. Philips GrowWise Control. Smarter lighting for better growth. Anywhere.
Philips.